Children, I am Dr. Bhavanu, lecturer in charge, Department of English, SVSM College, Ramchandrapuram. So, already you are being promoted to the second year. Now, all of you people have been promoted to second year. So, now we are going to start you third semester. So, you have completed 2 semesters and now we are entering into the third semester. The syllabus of the third semester you should note down. First of all, you should note down the syllabus of this third semester. Entering into the prose, you got entering into the prose, you got unit 1 prose. Unit 1 is totally prose. The first lesson is Shinish My Shield by M.K. Gandhi. And the next lesson, why people really love technology. Second lesson, why people really love technology, written by Alex C. Madrigal. All of you note down on a paper. The second lesson is why people really love technology by Alex C. Madrigal. And coming to the second unit, it is poetry. Once Upon a Time, written by Gabriel Okara. Once Upon a Time, written by Gabriel Okara. And the next poetry is Digging by Seamus Heaney. Coming to the unit 3, they are short stories. All of you note down. Coming to the unit 3, there are short stories. First one is The Interpreter of Maladies. Written by Jhumpa Lahari. She is a Jhumpa Lahari, Canadian writer. The Beloved Charioteer. The next short story is The Beloved Charioteer, written by Shashidesh Pandey. Jhumpa Lahari, NRA, and Beloved Charioteer Shashidesh Pandey is Kannada writer. So these two are short stories. And coming to the unit 4, this is one act play. Unit 4, this is one act play, Kanya Sulkam. This one act play, we have 5 acts in that. So it is for you, the prescribed is 1 and 2. This Kanya Sulkam was written by Gurujad Apparao and it is been translated by Professor Vijay Sri and T. Vijay Kumar from Hyderabad Usmania University. Originally it was been written by Gurujad Apparao and it was being translated into English by Professor C. Vijay Sri and T. Vijay Kumar. They wantedly translated this. And coming to the 5th unit, it is language activity. Coming to the 5th unit, it is language activity. So first one is jam sessions. JAM. I think you all know what is meant by jam. Just a minute session. And next one is note taking. I think you all know what is meant by note taking. The next one is reporting for the media. So whatever the thing happened, you have to put it in your own words, and as a third person you have to report. That is reporting for the media. And the next one is expansion of an idea. There is a difference between reporting for the media, expansion of an idea. Example, expansion of an idea, and example is every cloud has a silver lining. That is to be expanded. That is only an idea. It should be expanded. That is expansion of an idea. And the thing is, coming to the classroom activity, those are language activities regarding the laboratory activities. Those are jam, note making, note taking, expansion of an idea. These are laboratory activities. Coming to the classroom. Transformation of sentences. So if a simple sentence is given, they must be translated into complex. and a complex is given, they must be translated into, transformed into compound. Transform, not translate, right? Transform. Next, note making. There is a difference between note taking and note making. There is a difference between note taking and note making. I'll tell you. When we come to the unit 5, I will tell you. Report writing and writing for the media. Report writing and writing for the media. Reporting for the media is different for writing for the media. Reporting for the media is different from writing for the media. So we will connect each and every topic for you people again. Note down your syllabus, read carefully, get material from your seniors, the lessons, prose, poetry, everything. Your seniors have got the Xerox material. You can get from them. And if not, you can download from the net. You can browse the net and to get download. Take care of yourself. Enjoy reading. Time is very precious. You cannot get back your time. Already your time was wasted a lot, but we should not regret and get back to work. You should not regret for the things happening. You should get back to work. Thank you all.